Tonight I'm making a simple corned beef and cabbage stir-fry using my home canned corned beef. Very quick, easy, and yummy. Stay tuned. I showed you in a previous video how to make home canned corned beef, and tonight I'm using that corned beef in an easy and delicious recipe. Sometimes life can get busy, and it's so nice to grab a jar of canned meat from your pantry and mix it with a few vegetables, and you have a meal. Here I have a pint jar of my corned beef, and I'm skimming off the fat from the top and draining. Save the fat and liquid because we're going to use it all. In my skillet on medium heat, I'm adding the beef fat and about 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter. This is about 1 cup or 1 small diced onion. Cooking and stirring for a couple minutes to get everything started. I have about 4 cups of diced cabbage, and this is going to cook down quite a bit. Adding in 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and black pepper, and you can add to your taste along the way. Cooking and stirring to combine. It's going to take about 15 minutes for the cabbage to cook down and become tender. I'm covering and letting the cabbage cook for a couple minutes, then give it a stir. To help the cabbage cook, I add the corned beef liquid and a little more water if needed to steam and cook the cabbage. If you haven't already done so, please remember to give this recipe video a like and subscribe so you can receive my future recipes. It really helps my channel grow and it is greatly appreciated. Keep checking the cabbage for your desired tenderness, and at the last couple of minutes of cooking, add the corned beef. Cooking and stirring until the corned beef is heated through. Also taste for any seasonings, and I'm adding in a sprinkle more of black pepper. I love cabbage and black pepper together. Another good stir and it's ready to eat. I'm serving the corned beef and cabbage with a piece of buttered toast and a poached egg on top. The creaminess of the egg yolk really adds a nice touch. A quick, easy, and delicious recipe using home canned corned beef. And until next time, enjoy! If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!